Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Hi everyone! We're going to do an unboxing video. Let's open it. I got this package 2 days ago and I'm just waited until today. Today is Sunday. I'm just waited until today to open it with you guys. Woo! So, oh, I think we can open it right here. Cool. And sure, it's a MacBook Air, the new M2 processor. And we bought this 13.6 inch. Is it like 14? Officially it's 14, right? Okay. So my husband is going to give us some professional background, okay? He's not going to come, but he will correct me if I got any information that's wrong, okay? Or maybe not 100% correct. But yes, he ordered this present for me as my birthday. Okay, so let's open the box. It's like this. So let's put it here. And then another wrap around the computer. And then inside the box we have this charger. Oh, they actually changed the charger, and then this is gray. The old MacBook are like white core instead of the gray core, and the texture has changed a lot too. And I think this is just the instruction manual. Let's see what's inside. Okay, welcome to your MacBook Air. Maxi. Okay, we can read it later. And then we have, what else do we have? I cannot open this. I think they stick together. Okay, oh, there we go. I got 2 stickers. Do you want stickers? Yes, there we go. You're welcome. Okay, and then this is the charger and this is the cord. All right, let's get to the most exciting part. Put it back, and then I will unwrap the MacBook. Ooh, okay. It opens like this. Yay! And the color of this is called Midnight. And I think it's a new color. They don't have this this color before, right? Yeah. Okay. So really love it. And when I watch other reviews, they said they're fingerprint collectors, but well, not too much for me. So look. And then, see? It doesn't have much fingerprint for me, right? Perfect color for me. Okay, and then open it up. And then open it up. Woo! So yeah, this is the 14-inch. And then I love that the keyboard and the background color are so aligned that they actually feel more as a whole. Hello. Hola. Okay. Let's see. We will choose. Ooh, this is Japanese. 开始使用. What? It's Chinese. Korean. this is simplified Chinese. And oh, I don't know about this.
Oh, that's really scary.
Oh, really? Hola. So should I just click it? Okay, we'll choose English UK.
Which language do you want?
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Oh, okay. Return. Okay. And then, okay. All right. Select your country or region. Where are we at? The United States. Continue. And then we have, this is a little bit, not now. Okay. And then let's connect to the Wi-Fi. Let's see. 爸爸，我哋個 WiFi 係咩啊？ Oh, okay, I see it. Okay, and the password. Okay, so I want to do a size comparison with you guys. So this is the new MacBook M2 Air. It's a bit thicker. I would say no, not thicker, but yeah, about the same thick. But this one, the old one that I have is the MacBook Pro, 15 inches. And then the design is, I would say, totally different. This is more like a rectangular shape. And this one is thinner. And here's the size difference. Like this. But I would say this one is a lot lighter than the Pro. Okay, let's look inside. Okay, so this is the old one, and this is the new one. This part is definitely thinner on the new Air. Oh, okay, so this one that my husband purchased is 16 gig memory and 512 hard drive. Okay. And I also have another laptop from my work, which is a Dell computer. If you guys want, I can definitely do a review on that one as well. But for MacBook, I'm just for my personal use, and I usually, for example, edit my videos or sometimes watch some videos online. But that's, yeah, not that often, but just personal use for my for the MacBook. And then my work laptop is Dell. And then functional-wise, I think I will have a second video, and we will talk about my use, how I feel when I use it to edit my videos and stuff like that. I will list that part after a few use, and then I will update you guys. Alright, so today is the unboxing part, and I will see you guys later.